Solve this two-step equation. It's a two-step equation because it involves two operations, division, shown here, and subtraction, shown here. So let's take this equation and plug it into this template. So we get negative x divided by 6 minus 5 equals negative 5. We want to get rid of this term by adding 5 to both sides of the equation. So we get negative x divided by 6 minus 5 plus 5 equals negative 5 plus 5. Simplifying, we get negative x divided by 6 equals 0. This term involves division, which we undo with multiplication. So we get negative x divided by 6 times negative 6. And the reason this is negative is because of this negative sign here, equals 0 times negative 6. So we multiply both sides by negative 6. Simplifying, we get x equals 0 times negative 6 is 0.